And developing right now, the jury breaking for the night in the federal hate crimes trial for the three men convicted of murdering Ahmaud Arbery.
Hope Ford is live in Brunswick right now in Glynn County, and she just got the word. Hope, they didn't deliberate for very long today.
Yeah, just under really 3 hours today, and everyone was called back into the courtroom just a few minutes ago because the jury did have a question. They were wondering how long they had left because they were still deliberating. So the judge went ahead and just broke them for the night, and they will return at 9 a.m. to continue those deliberations. Now, throughout closing arguments today, the government's been trying to prove that the defendants never saw Ahmaud Arbery as a human being because of their history of hatred towards black people. Now, the government dissected the evidence again today, going through text messages and posts in which the defendants either discussed vigilante crimes or hatred of black people. Now, the government doesn't have to prove the defendants would have gone after just any black person, but they have to prove Arbery was pursued and died because the defendants had a racist motivation. The defenses for all three argued while there's proof the defendants made ignorant or racist statements, there's no proof any of the three wanted to commit violent acts against black people, or in Travis McMichael's case, committed a case against a black person prior to Arbery's murder. Now, the jury cannot use any of this racial evidence as a judge of the defendant's characters. They can only consider the evidence when weighing if it shows their intent to believing Arbery was a threat or is because of a racist mindset. Basically, would they have chased Arbery with guns and trucks if he were white? Now, Arbery's mom cried a couple of times today, and his dad bent over in his seat several times, appearing overwhelmed or exhausted at moments.
The world see what happened, and the world see why Ahmaud died, because his skin color. And all I can say, we just want justice, 100% justice. Justice for Ahmaud, get the verdict.
Now, the defendants remained stoic and looked straight ahead, barely showing any emotion today, only to briefly smile at Travis's mom and Greg McMichael's wife when they entered the courtroom very briefly at the beginning of the day. Again, the jury broke for tonight, and they will continue their deliberations at 9 a.m. Jeff?
Hope